If you want to turn off the vibrations or change the vibration of an iPhone, then follow the following steps. Go on settings, then search sound and haptics, click on sound and haptics. From here you can scroll down and change all the vibrations from here by going on haptics. You can select from always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, never play. And also you can change them singularly by ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, etc. You can also change the log sound effects, system haptic effects, and keyboard haptic effects from here sound and haptic. You can also add customized ringtones. For this, go on settings, then search sound and haptics, click on sound and haptics, click on ringtone. Then here you can choose all the specific ringtones, etc. And for haptics you have to go on haptics, then create new vibration, and here you can click on the vibration to create a vibration. This will create new vibration for you. You can also add ascent, alert, heartbreak, quick, rapid SOS, etc. in the iPhones, or you can use synchronized default. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit Gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.